Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can wrap a text on any surface in Photoshop. For example, this surface of a towel, a blue towel, that's to say. So let's do this. Hold the Control and the J keys to duplicate the towel layer, and then afterwards make it black and white by clicking on Image Adjustments, and then click on black and white just like this. And then afterwards click on File, save as, and then name it Displacement. This will be the displacement map, because when we apply displacement onto the text, it will be distorted, and it will be according to the edges of the bristles on the towel surface. Click on Save. Afterwards, click on OK. Afterwards, create a text. For example, you want to type tongue tips. Just like this. You can even adjust the font size by clicking on this one, and then you can adjust the size. That's too large. 272 maybe. This would do. And then you want to make it black. Click on the type tool, select all of the text, the letters, that's to say, and then make it black. Make them black. Just like this. Centerize the text. And then afterwards, click on Filter. No. Right click. Click on Convert to Smart Object, and then click on Filter, Distort, and then click on Displace, and then click on OK. Select the displacement map that we saved, which is this one. So look, now the text is looking really rough, and then the edges will go according to the edges of the bristles on the towel's surface, just like this. And then you can even give it a bit of blurring. Filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur, so that the edges of the bristles on the towel look smoother. Click on OK. And then when you're done, you're done. You can even color it. Double click on the text layer and then head over to Color Overlay, and then color it with the color that you want. For example, this dark blue, just like this. And then you can even add some inner shadows as well. Click on inner shadow, and then you set the opacity and set the distance so that it's not distanced too far from the edge of the bristles on the towel. Click on OK when you're done. That's how you can wrap a text on any surface in Photoshop, so that you have a text stitched on this towel. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.